All right. Let's see if this here build is satisfactory to my needs. I think it's all ready to go here. Don't have a front end yet. Probably won't put one in because this is probably the last attempt to turn this thing in. So what we got here is a cat counter that counts how many cats we've rescued and a dash meter that slowly recharges over time. Every time I dash, a third of this goes away and then it restarts. So we got some music, we got sound effects, we got visual effects, and a HUD. That's pretty much, that's the new stuff. So check this fire out. Oh man, that's good fire. Good guy fire right there. We can pop cats out of cages, gets the score up. My dash meter recharges probably just fast enough to outrun the dog continuously, but you gotta use the dash to get your friends out of cat jail, or else what are you doing with your life, you know? Oh, that one missed him. So we got the cement mixer trap, we got the tower trap. It's a good times. The tower trap doesn't actually kill them, it just hinders them. We got the cat cage that opens and random cats come popping out. Different colored cats come out of the cages. We got the barrel trap with the fire sound effect and the fire visual effect. The truck trap, it's got a sound, that's pretty cool, I would say. And yeah, I mean, so long as you never make a mistake, you don't do this, then you'll probably be okay. Only one dog chases you at a time. And you just have to keep an eye on your dash meter and don't get greedy, because you can trigger every trap and every cat cage you see, but you will... You know, see right there, I thought I could get that cat cage. Now I'm going to run at a dash meter before I can get away. No, that doesn't work. The dog got stuck on the truck. Even if the dog gets stuck, it will, if it gets a certain distance from you, allow the new dogs to spawn. Probably the pro strat would be to get the dog stuck every time. But yeah. It's pretty good, I would say. It's a lot of fun. There's a lot of fun stuff going on there. No, please don't get me. Don't touch me. Take this. Oh yeah, and I forgot, there's a little exclamation point that pops up over the top of the cat's head whenever there's something that the cat can interact with. I've been playing this for a while, so I think maybe I'm slightly too good at it, but I don't know. I guess we'll just see. I know when to not use the dash to activate traps, so that's like the most important thing, I think, is just knowing when not to dash. Anyways, yeah, I mean, it went from day to night. There is some... Oh no, please no. Oh, there was 18. There is some lighting that takes place during the day and the nighttime that keeps it so that there is always going to be rim lighting, fill lighting, etc. on the characters. But the actual key light is this sunlight that goes around the outside, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I guess that's it. I think if I had more time, the one thing I would do is redo the animations for the cat and dog. I just didn't have enough time to redo them. I think that they're pretty good, but they're not super great or anything. They're a little bit awkward looking. Anyways, I don't know. Hopefully that blows out of the water your expectations. That's what I'm hoping for. All right. We'll see you next semester.